In this question, you're asked to differentiate tan inverse x with respect to sin inverse x, e power sin x with respect to cos x, log x with respect to cot x. So let us try to find each of them. First question is d of tan inverse x by d of sin inverse x. So by definition it is the differentiation of tan inverse x by the differentiation of sin inverse x. So if you divide both numerator and denominator by dx, is nothing but the ratio of differentiations of individual functions. So d of tan inverse x by dx is 1 by 1 plus x square, and d of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So this root of 1 minus x square goes up. So this is equal to root of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So I hope you are getting the crux of what you need to do here. So differentiation of e power sin x by differentiation d cos x is nothing but the differentiation of this by differentiation of this. So what is the differentiation of e power sin x? E power sin x times cos x by differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. As simple as this. So minus cot x times e power sin x is the answer. So let us go to the third part. Differentiate log x with respect to cot x, that is d of log x by d of cot x. That is equal to 1 by x. This is the differentiation of log x by differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So we get minus cosecant square x. That is equal to minus sine square x by x. So differentiation of one function with respect to another function is quite simple.